Hello everyone, welcome to the channel again. Today I am in the main lot, Des Moines, Copart, Iowa. We'll be looking at some interesting cars here, guys. There will be like 2 or 3 videos, not sure about that, but I'll decide like while looking at the cars, because one of the cars actually is not in good condition to be filmed, and there might be more cars that are not worth filming. So yeah, I'll be looking at these cars, guys, and we'll see like if we'll have like 2 or more videos. So yeah, let's jump to the first one actually. Alright guys, so the first one, I'm not sure where the Jeep logo went. It's a 2014 Jeep Compass. It has like the Latitude trim. It has like the 2.4 of course 4-banger. It's front-wheel drive. It's not all-wheel drive, unfortunately. It has 82,000 miles. It has a rebuild title, guys, this car. So it's not like salvage title, but it got the salvage title sometime in the past. So yeah, so it's now rebuild title. It's listed as runs and drives. It has only like the primary damage, just like minor dents and scratches, but I see some damage here, guys, so we will examine that in a minute. It has like 4 owners, 2 accidents. So why I'm bringing this car up here? Because you can buy this car right now for $5,200. Does it worth it? I don't know, but with the current like prices, like the current market, the prices for the market, they are really bad. Like, so probably this car might worth it, although it has a rebuild title, but it doesn't have like that. It's not like high mileage or something. It's 2014, so 82,000 miles for 2014 is not bad at all. Here everything is nice. We don't have any damage here at the rear end. This side, it looks good, no problems. It's just, guys, here where I see like it's not in great shape. As you can see, like there's like gap in here. That's not normal, obviously, and here doesn't match it, obviously. What else do we have? There's supposed to be like a Jeep logo in here. I didn't see it. Okay. Here, this bumper needs to be put back again together. Okay. This side here, yeah, this side is pretty good shape, actually. Tires, probably need to replace the tires. They are not in good shape, but they are for matching tires, Goodyear. Let's take a look inside. Actually, guys, inside it's pretty clean in here. You have like leather seats. The doors are in good shape. Let's see, what do we have in the back in here. The back is in good shape. Okay, so what do we have in here? Okay, we have 134A for like the air conditioning, the gas for the air conditioning. And spare tire. There's nothing else in here, so let's close that. All right. Yeah, it's okay in here. Oh, okay. There was like kind of like a problem when I tried to close this door, guys. Like, it gets stuck at those 2 points where it's supposed to like stay in place. That's not normal. Okay, that means like this car was rear-ended, and this like kind of like a mechanism like to protect the head. So this was like blown. It's probably like you need a new one here. So probably you'll have like a check engine, not check engine light. So probably you have like an airbag warning light or something like that, maybe. Although like no airbags were deployed, but because of that, we might have an airbag light. We'll see in a minute. Okay, let's take a look at the engine bay. Okay, how do you do that in here? Okay, like, wow, that's heavy. Okay, so here's the engine for you guys. And everything here looks okay. Let me just prop the hood, guys, for you. Alright. Should go in here or where exactly? Yeah, I'm not sure where it should go. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here's the engine. Let's take a look at... Wow, how do you pull that? It's not easy. Oh, I see why, because it's not in place. It was not in place, that's why. Okay, okay. So now, let's see. We do have oil. It doesn't look bad. That's okay. Alright, do we have coolant? Yeah, we do. Okay. Trying to see any hints, guys, of the prior accident, because obviously, yeah, I can't see anything. So, but let's see. Do we have power? Yes, we do have power. That is good. So I start the car. Let's see. Alright, start right away. That's a good sign. Oh yeah, as I expected, we do have actually airbag light. It's not airbag, guys, it's because of this headrest. So yeah. Okay, door. Change oil. Okay, the oil is old in this car, so it gotta be changed. Okay, so what do we have in here? Okay, nothing in here. Nothing in here. Oh wow, we still have like the the manual parking brake. Okay, nothing in here. Okay, it's the interior is in overall like nice shape, I would say. Let's turn that on. Radio works. Let's see if the AC would work. Yeah, AC is working. It's cold. It's getting colder now. And yeah, now it's ice cold, so yeah, AC is working, radio is working. Steering feels good, no problems here. Okay, windows, yeah, I'm pretty sure they work, no issues. Okay, alright. Let's see if this car would go into gear. Yep, it does. So it goes forwards. It goes backwards, no problems at all. Oops, what happened here? Okay. Alright. Okay, here we go. Now it's in park. Okay. Yeah, let's see how the engine runs actually. Let's give it a couple of revs, guys. Shall we? Yeah, that's just steam, guys. This is just steam. Let's take a look at the engine bay while it's running. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. It's not shaking badly or something. So it's in great condition overall, guys. So yeah, actually this car, guys, if you buy it, you can drive it home. I mean, it doesn't need like that much of like repairs other than of course like this headrest. Not sure how can you replace it. Let me show you guys from the back. Yeah, so I'm not sure how can you replace that, but yeah, that's the only issue I see with this car, guys. Engine is good, transmission is good, everything is good. It's just as I said, like this door here, when I try to close it, yeah, it clicks badly, and it's like really hard. It gets like really hard at the points where it's supposed to hold the door. Yeah. Yeah, overall, it's a pretty good condition, this car. $5,200. Yeah, worth it? I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comment sections, guys, if you are willing to buy this car for $5,200. Yeah, so yeah, let's move to the next one. Alright, guys, so the next one is a 2020 Infiniti Q50. It has like the 3.0 V6. This car is rear-wheel drive only. It's not all-wheel drive, so yeah, don't say and tell you that it's only rear-wheel drive, not all-wheel drive. It has 56,000 miles. It's a clean title. It has a clean title. It's listed as runs and drives. The main damage is listed as front and rear end damage. It has 4 owners, although it's like a 2020 car. It has 4 owners, 2 accidents. Of course, it's on approval, and currently it's sitting at $0 as I'm filming right now. Okay, and I noticed something here. Yeah, this car, it came from dealer's auctions, which is which actually will raise like a red flag in here, guys. Yeah, so as you can see, we have like some damage here to the rear. What is that? I have no clue. Here we have the paint is, yeah, it's peeling off. Okay, let's take a look here at the damage. All right, and let's take another look in here. Okay, this side is much better than the other side. Okay, I think this one is like the turbo, guys, right? I think this car is like, it's like the twin turbo or something like that, V6. Okay, let's take a look at the damage here up front. This fender, I think it can be saved. Okay. It's not like that bad, you know, guys. It's not that bad. Huh. Oh, this here is really bad, guys. Probably like the wheel well. Yeah, probably like the wheel will like be ripping against this fender here, and we have like this damage in here, obviously. Okay. Now let's take a look inside. Oh shit. Oh yeah. As you can see, guys, here, like there's like the gap is not, yeah, as you can see, like this when you try to open it. Oops, yeah. Okay, nice leather seats. It's nice. It's pretty nice inside here. It's not bad. We do have power, and obviously, guys, as you can see, like this door, like when you open it, goes down. So yeah, because of that damage in here, yeah, this should be fixed. Okay. All right, let's see what you have in here. Oh, that's pretty nice. That is really nice, guys. Menu, touch screen is working. Turn that off. Is that touch as well? Not sure. Yeah, both are touch screens. That's pretty nice. Okay, sorry, start the car. See. Okay, start right away. Huh. What kind of warning lights do we have here? Driving aids, doors open, yeah, obviously. Flat tire, okay. Do I have any other warning lights? No, that's all? Okay. Alright, let's take a look at the engine bay, guys. Yeah, guys, it's like, as you can see, it's like the 3.0 turbo. So yeah, this car has turbo engine. Yep, here it is, twin turbo. Let's take a look at the oil. Yeah, it doesn't look bad for a turbo. Of course, guys, like the cars with turbo engines, they do like make the oil dirty very quickly, very fast. So yeah, but yeah, the engine's not shaking and it sounds good. It doesn't sound bad or something. And the good thing is, let's see the damage in here. We do have some damage to the radiator here, but nothing is actually, yeah, I don't see any leaks so far. So yeah, this headlight is working. Okay. Let's see how the steering brakes, everything, how it feels. Alright, put it into gear. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty nice. We do have backup camera. It's working, perfect. Yeah, everything feels great, guys, in this car. There's like some rubbing noise coming from the back though, like, or probably like that's just like the brakes. Yeah. Okay. Actually, let's pull it up a notch. That's enough. All right. Yeah. All right. Windows, yeah, I definitely like they should work. To be honest with you, like it doesn't sound great, guys. Like the like it doesn't smell great, this smoke. But I'm not sure, maybe it's just like steam. I'm not sure about that, but maybe it's just steam. Okay. Yeah, so far so good. We don't have any leaks, as I said before. This damage actually can be ignored. So you just need like a new bumper for it. I don't see, like, the bumper is not inside the car, I don't think so. But let's check what do we have in the trunk. McDonald's. I have no clue what that thing is. Yeah, I think that's like the part that goes in here. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah, it said that we have flat tire, although we don't. So probably like there's a problem with the TPMS sensors. But other than that, guys, we have two keys, as you can see. Yeah, overall it's pretty good shape. Let's just turn it off. Yeah, but again, it needs some work. So yeah, so let's move, guys, to the next one.